how to retweet a tweet on X on PC. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can retweet a tweet on X using PC. So firstly, open any of your preferred web browser. In your web browser, go to x.com. After that, the login page will open. In the login page, log into your account. After you log into your account, you will land to the home page. Now you can either go to a specific account or from your home page navigate to the post that you would like to retweet. At the bottom of the post you will see different kind of icons. Here you will see an icon that has two arrows in opposite direction. When you hover your mouse over it, then you will see the repost option. Click on it and you will see two more options. One is repost and the other one is quote. Click on the option repost. And just like that, you have retweeted a tweet. To check if it has been reposted or not, go to your profile. In your profile, scroll down to the latest post, and here as you can see, I have reposted a tweet. At the top you will see that it's written you reposted. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.